everybody, my name is Barney and I'm one of the owners here of Clipper Bar in Auckland. I'm going to make you our house cocktail, which is the Pan Am cocktail, which is the inspiration behind this bar. To start off, we need Bacardi Carta Blanca. We're just going to put 45 mils in. Next, to give the drink a little bit of bitterness, we're going to add 50 ml of Aperol. Now for a little bit of sweetness, we're going to add Orgeat. Now Orgeat gives it a nice little roundness, awesome mouthfeel, and balances out that bitterness. Next, we need some fresh lemon juice. Put 30 ml of this in. Because this is a sour style cocktail, we're going to put in egg white. Egg white has no flavour, it's just all texture, gives it a nice foamy. So we're going to dry shake this. It's just going to make that egg white emulsify, and then we're just going to give it a nice little hard shake. Nice cold glass, and then we're just going to give that a fine strain inside. And then to finish, we're just going to garnish that with a mist of Angostura Bitters. And there we go, Pan Am cocktail.